Enough of that. What's up, guys? JD with CPE here, and I'm here to unbox an xFlex Stage 1 rear motor mount with you guys today. First and foremost, this is your OEM rear motor mount. Our Stage 1 works on the Focus ST, RS, and Mazdaspeed 3. We've got some testing and research to do to see about other models, but this is the OEM one. Enough of that. Let's take a look here at our Stage 1. When you open it up, you've got your hardware that sits on top. Card, sticker, woo, and the mount itself. I will confess I've already opened this up. Now, you notice that it looks distinctly different. It's a shame I threw the other one across the room, or I could compare that. But our mount looks different, a little bit different sizing. We're using EPDM, just like the OEM. Reason being is it's a great material. We just can... We set it up to have a little bit different durometer ratings, a little bit stiffer. We do have two options. This one in particular is 55. We got 55 and 65 available. The higher the number of durometer, which you can check out our YouTube video if you go to the channel, and I talk more in regards to what durometer actually means. Anyway, we've got a softer one and a stiffer one. Stiffer is going to have more NVH, but be stiffer and control the movement of the engine a little bit more. Softer is going to have more of an OEM-like ride with some performance increase. But you have all your hardware needed here. We include, which is my favorite part, the full color instructions. You've got a checklist for all the parts that are supposed to be here, signed off on where it's been checked on, a diagram of how everything goes together, how it lays out, for example. It looks like the picture. I'm dumb. Pictures help me out immensely. You have a necessary installation tools, as well as detailed instructions of what you should do. This is the procedure overview, and then it goes into the full-fledged instructions. Again, checklist for the tools you need, and gives you kind of the procedure and some safety tips so you don't get crushed by an engine because you're taking off a motor mount. Let's be real. It goes into a breakdown of EPDM, what exactly it is. Again, we have a video on our YouTube channel that defines that for you. And then actual pictures of the installation procedure, walking you through how to get it in there, detailed instructions that tell you when and what bolt you use specific tools on, and then, a good warning that you need to check afterwards. You want to go back and check the torque on your installation to make sure everything is good to go after you've been driving it for a little while. And outside of that, just enjoy the frickin' thing. So guys, thank you for checking out the video. I hope that gave you some more information on our Stage 1. Again, stay tuned to our social media. That way you know how our testing goes in regards to fitment on other vehicles, and you can see everything else that we're going to put out here in regards to the other products we provide and proudly build for multiple vehicles across multiple brand lines. So guys, peace. Have a great day. Catch you later.